All right, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how to change out a Moen shower head, or just the knob. So when this breaks, there's a screw that goes right here, right there. So you just gotta take that off, and I'll show you how to put it back on. So there's a little ring I put in there. You can see right there. And you grab the new shower head, and then that should be just like that. So sometimes you gotta move it so it fits like that. And you grab that screw I was talking about, put it right in the middle, just like that. Grab yourself a little, screwdriver. You just start twisting away. And guess what, y'all? There it goes. And just for the final touch, just to make it look nice. Oh, damn, my fault. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. And you gotta just check it out. We got ourselves the hot water. And we got ourselves cold water. Take it easy.